Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today di kan a ohwe me video a memma rem subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. Na wa notification bell no. Say them the video bia beto a wonsa beka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Because you say bear Ghana sweet bread. May you na me tasty and it tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Okwa description box na ingredients in na wo ho. Just start say be use 4 cups sweet flour, 2 tablespoons sugar what dey aka ho, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon nutmeg. One mixing it together. $80 butter. One mix area no. Now the 1.5 cup warm water. Now one mix it amana for me do. We are not the flag working surface, so now one needy. Are you ready? Now there are 2 at the food for by say all the oil you kakra yem said the enkekem. We are not the do near the atom. Wakata so. Now we just work for 30 minutes and sani atoaso. After 30 minutes, no way ya koto working surface, but all the flag akabegu so answer. We are no twetwem into sizes. Na wabo. We are not to prepare baking bread pie mu. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are no super one round. wie ni na no akata so na waje si off for 2 hours. After 2 hours no na waji no wako baking 180 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes na waji wa manajo ansa na wa serve. If matches need kan a wo hwe me video a memma rem subscribe na wa share na wa like no amia notification bell no say me video bia beto wa wonsa beka me ye wie na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our Ghana feed bread recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.